Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You, and there is a big news which is coming here from Accenture. So Accenture has started sending the examination mail. The exam is on 12th of December 2025, right? Okay, so now you have received the email to select the slot. Other students also will be receiving soon. Please don't worry about it, okay? Because many of you will tell, sir, I have still not received. Exams happen in phases. So right now, I think the exams is happening in four slot, one, two, three, four. And here you see. So dear ABCD, we are in the process of scheduling your virtual assessment. So the exam is online virtual assessment. So now you know that, okay, sir, I will be doing cheating, but in game based and all, you cannot do cheating. So you have to be little careful, okay? And they have this, kind of proctored exam, so you cannot do it. So we are in the process of scheduling your virtual assessment as part of our associate software engineer hiring. Please click here for the available slot and choose one per as your availability. Before that, friends, I wanted to tell you, if you have still not got the Accenture crash course, get it right now, because you are definitely going to struggle in behavioral round, in game based round, technical. So just go through with this in 2 to 3 days. It will be very very helpful. I'm telling you, today also there is a game based class is there, so that also I'm going to take the class today. And here behavioral assessment. So these are the very important thing, because the marks will be added for each and every section, even the communication round. All those things we have updated and we will be updating. So virtual assessment, it's planned. Please choose your slot by 19th of December. So by 19th of December you can select your slot carefully, as you will not have option to change this later. If you're facing any technical issues, please call on this number. Here you see 20th of December, 8 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 3 p.m. and 6:30 p.m. Four slots are there. Friends, see, on WhatsApp also you will be getting, dear candidate, we have sent an assessment slot selection details on your registered email address. Kindly check your inbox, including a spam folder, to choose your assessment slot as per the availability and the timelines. I am telling you, friends, don't regret later. See, Accenture gives a package of 4.5 LPA, just 700 rupees course, and trust me, it will be useful. That I can give you the complete guarantee that it will be useful and you will never regret. Okay, but once if you lose this opportunity, trust me, for 2025 batch, no, you know how many opportunities will be available. So exams are virtual. Start your preparation right now. Friends, go ahead, check your spam folder also. So in your, check your spam folder, check WhatsApp message, do check all those things. And if you have not yet received, please wait, because today only at 12 a.m. Accenture has started sending this assessment slot mail. Thank you, take care, and all the very very best. Okay, and we will be uploading more videos on our channel, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like our videos, as you will be getting more and more content on our channel. And get the course right now. Thank you.